Hey guys, just doing a quick update on the coop. Yesterday it rained really bad, so we didn't really do a bunch of videoing because I don't know if my camera's waterproof. So that's what we got done. We got some barn siding that we bought from somebody. They tore down an old barn from the 1800s, and the barn siding was like 150 bucks. So we got the back side done, and we got this side done. And I'm gonna work on this front side and hopefully not get injured. So we'll see how that goes. Alright, change of plans. I'm not gonna do this without Andy. I called him because I found a super long piece of wood that will work great up the top above the windows. We're actually gonna put a door right here. So I'm gonna wait until he gets here so I can hold it and he can hammer. We're also gonna put a door right here. So we'll have a people door, and this is going to be a closet. And the crates that I took apart, Andy took the wood and made a couple door frames out of them. So we're going to put those in after we put up the siding, and then we'll just cut it out so the doors just flow with the wall. No?
I don't know. I don't think it's supposed to sound like that. Plus, I can't because I don't have a bearing on the end of it. There's no stopping it from going into here. It dug into it a little bit.
Oh. Time to nail the doors together. I've got pieces cut out, so I'm starting to nail those. And then I might attempt to nail these to it, and Andy's gonna cut them out when he gets home. I'm gonna put this on time lapse because I have a feeling it's gonna take me a minute. This top board, for some reason, is super hard, so I'm gonna wait till Andy gets home and he can drill holes in that and then hammer it. Alright, it's your turn.
My turn for what? Okay,
To
so
help me out here. Okay, so I didn't put any there, or there, or there.
okay.
It looks like I started to do. No. And then also this board, I got that in, and I couldn't get down there.
I think her name is Romeo.
He's a boy. He's a boy.
Does that have
You said her.
Felt like it. You want to check it out? Now what's going on? Now, that one definitely missed. Really don't know how I'm going to get it out of there.
Well, once you cut out the rest of the boards, you can get it out.
Yeah. Still needs nailed. Let's put one a little bit further.
Is chicken blood red?
Yes.
I saw some red on the chicken.
It's awkward holding it across.
I think the cat probably got one of mine.
Why?
Because it has like red on its nose. My Easter egg.
I'll check it out.
Yeah.
Ready. Okay, you have.
Looks like crap.
Well, you have about 1.5 inches left until the 2x4.